Hello. In the first lecture of our SQL and database concepts, there are some core concepts that you should familiar with. And that is why we need SQL statements in every single programming language. Well, the programming languages let you make your system powerful and attractive. But these programming languages will be completely useless until you store the data that you are getting from your user or you are entering it by yourself. So you need a place where you can easily put your data, and when the user asks you for that particular data, you can show it to them. So it's like a request. You request your warehouse to send you items, and that warehouse called your database. Now these requests that you are sending could be different at different times, because you have a lot of customers that you want to maintain and everyone has their special needs, and it's obvious that you should treat your customers according to their status and needs. So these requests that we are sending to our warehouse to send us some data back are called SQL statements. Now in the other words, in computer sciences, when you get the information from your user and you want to store it to your database, means your warehouse, then your job could not be finished at that point, because sometime later your user could ask for his information and you have to give it back, and you can only give it back by using SQL statements. So SQL structure query language is special kind of language that helps programming languages to store data into databases and also retrieve data from the database according to your customers or according to user request. So to extract data from the database, you need to use the structure query languages.